Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. Today we're going to do some delicious ribs. That's right, I promised you some ribs, or I said I would try. So I'm going to do some ribs. I got some today. We'll do some. I'm going to put that Holy Smokes Meat Church on there. I'm really excited here to try that. I'm also going to put some Bad Brian's butt rub on it. We'll try a little both. Let's do a little both today. Here we go. Let's get started. All right, here we go. I've got the Bad Brian's butt rub. You put a little bit of that on there. Meat Church, Holy Cow, or the Holy Cow Meat Church barbecue rub. We'll try it out. Here we go. All right, let's put this baby on, these ribs, baby backs. Let's put them on. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. So how she goes. 350. Good hour and a half. Maybe we'll check it. We'll just check it as we go. Probably a good hour and a half. Maybe a little longer. We'll see. All right, that's what we got. Oh, yes. She's looking beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous meat. Let's flip it over. Flip it over. Oh yeah. So we got a ways to go. What I did was I had set it on 350. The temperature. I was like, oh wait a minute, no, we're doing ribs. We gotta go 400. We're doing 400 now. We're at 410. So that's good. That's what we want. I do want it a little higher. So that's what we got it. Check it. Oh yeah. Flip it back over. Starting to look good. Yeah, I got to throw on some hot dogs. Also, get them out. Those are for the kids. I like the hot dogs. Nathan's. Are the best. I like them. Check out those hot dogs. Oh yeah, looking good. About done. I often like that one burnt. So I like them burnt ones. That one too. Move these over here a little bit. That baby sizzle. Look at that. It's looking good. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks so good. Almost ready. Ain't quite ready yet. Can't wait to taste test it or wait to eat the whole thing. Man, yeah. Woo, we're going a little longer. Not quite ready. Go. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right, that looks good. Looking really good. Ribs. Close up on those. Goodness. Wife won't eat it, but they hard. You can tell. Now let's pull them off. See what happens. We'll go ahead and check these out, see how tender they are. They look pretty tender. See something here hot too. Now look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gonna tear it apart. Go ahead and tear these up. And cut them. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good Lord, yeah. God, it's hot. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna try a bite. Just a quick bite. And we'll go eat. All right, there's those ribs that they just tore apart. Look at that. Cut it a little bit. Let's try a bite. Yeah. Oh God, yes. Ooh, I put that Bad Brown's butt rub and that Meat Church Holy Cow on there. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's gonna be good. Look at that smoke ring on there. Get another bite. We're gonna do another one. Little tug. Delicious. Can't say that about them ribs. Actually got those ribs at Walmart. Sorry about that, about eating, talking. Yeah, those are good. Delicious, very good, tender. Yeah, baby backs. Yes, those are good. So, yes, that combination with the Meat Church, Holy Cow, and the Bad Brown's butt rub. Oh, God, that's some of the best I ever had. Golly, I just amazed myself. Plus, you get it on the pellet smoker. So, well, that does it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Watch my other videos. I got more videos. And also, I have an Amazon affiliate link. I'm going to put some stuff. I've got stuff in my description. I want to put down there in the description. Check out my Amazon affiliate links. Tell me what you think. Look at it. Just look. You ain't got to buy nothing. Just look. It costs you nothing to look. Yeah, just click on it. Check it out, please, if you would. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.